Ever received an email or message that seemed slightly off yet almost believable? Ever wondered if you could be the next victim of a phishing scam? If you're nodding along, you're not alone. In our digital age, phishing scams have become an all-too-common menace, lurking in every corner of the internet. Let's start by understanding what exactly a phishing scam is. Picture a fisherman casting his baited hook into the water, hoping for a catch. Now replace the fisherman with a cybercriminal, and the bait with a deceptive email or message. That's a phishing scam in a nutshell. A digital trap set to snag your precious information. These scams come in various forms. You might receive an email that looks like it's from a trusted source, perhaps your bank or your social media network, asking you to update your account details. Or you might get a text message with a link to what seems like a legitimate website, but is actually a cleverly disguised trap. These scams can even impersonate government agencies, adding a layer of urgency and authority to their deceit. But what's the end game for these cybercriminals? It's simple. They're after your sensitive data. They want to lure you into their trap, win your trust, and then make off with your personal information, like your login credentials, your credit card numbers, or your social security number. The targets of these scams are as diverse as their forms. Everyone from individuals to small businesses, large corporations, and even government agencies can fall prey to these attacks. This is not a problem confined to the less tech-savvy among us. Anyone can be a victim if they're not vigilant and well-informed. Now that you understand what a phishing scam is, it's time to learn how to defend yourself against these cyber attacks. Stay tuned, because we're about to equip you with the tools and knowledge to outsmart these online predators and protect your digital life. Equip yourself with a strong defense against these cyber predators. Here, we present the 10-point phishing defense. First up, scrutinize those URLs. Cybercriminals often use deceptive URLs that look strikingly similar to the real ones. So, before you click, take a moment to double-check. A quick glance could save you from a massive data breach. Second, embrace the power of multi-factor authentication. It's like adding an extra padlock to your digital vault. So even if a scammer cracks your password, they'll still be barred from entry. Third, never click on suspicious links or download attachments from unknown sources. They're often disguised traps waiting to spring the moment you click. So when in doubt, steer clear, my friends. Fourth, update your software regularly. Yes, those pesky update reminders are actually your digital bodyguards, patching up any potential security holes in your system. Fifth, be wary of requests for personal information. Legitimate organizations seldom ask for sensitive details via email. If they do, it's a red flag. Moving on to number 6, use a firewall. Think of it as a digital shield, blocking harmful content from reaching your devices. 7th, install antivirus software. It's like having a digital detective on your side, scanning and neutralizing threats before they can cause any harm. 8th, back up your data regularly. It's your safety net, ensuring you don't lose your precious information even if you fall victim to a phishing attack. 9th, be cautious of pop-up windows. They're often used by scammers to trick you into revealing your personal information. And finally, the 10th point, educate yourself and stay informed about the latest phishing tactics. Knowledge is your ultimate weapon against these cyber threats. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to becoming a digital fortress, but how about we take it a step further and delve into some real-life phishing examples? Theory is great, but practical knowledge is even better. Let's take a look at some real-life phishing examples. Imagine an email lands in your inbox. It's from your bank, or at least it seems to be. There's an urgent message about suspicious activity on your account. It's natural to feel a pang of panic. But wait, this could be a phishing scam in action. Here are the red flags. The email address is slightly off. There's a sense of urgency to nudge you towards hasty action, and they're asking for your sensitive information. Or perhaps you receive a message from a social media platform. It claims that your account will be closed unless you verify your details immediately. But look closer. The message is riddled with spelling and grammar errors, a telltale sign of phishing scams. And then, there are those seemingly innocent-looking websites, replicas of popular shopping or banking sites. Here, the scammer's goal is to trick you into entering your login details. The signs? The URL might have subtle misspellings, or the site may lack the secure HTTPS prefix. Each of these examples illustrates a different phishing tactic, but they all share common threads, creating a sense of urgency, impersonating trusted entities, and aiming to snatch your sensitive information. These examples should give you a better understanding of how phishing scams operate. Now let's put this knowledge into action. Knowledge is power. but only when used correctly. Now let's learn how to apply this knowledge to fortify your digital life. The first step in this journey is securing your passwords. You've probably heard it 1,000 times, but are you really using strong, unique passwords for each of your online accounts? Consider using a password manager, a digital vault that can generate and store your passwords securely. Next, always verify the authenticity of websites before providing any personal information. Check for the HTTPS and the lock icon in the address bar. If either of these is missing, steer clear. Then, we have the issue of suspicious attachments. You might receive an email that appears to be from a trusted source, but if there's an unexpected attachment, approach with caution. Don't open it unless you've confirmed its legitimacy. Remember, curiosity killed the cat, but in this case, it could compromise your cybersecurity. Finally, make sure your software is up to date. Regular updates are not just about new features, they're also about patching security vulnerabilities. So don't ignore those update notifications. They're your digital armor getting stronger. Implementing these strategies might seem like a lot of work, but the peace of mind you'll gain is well worth the effort. With these strategies, you're not just ready, but confident in your ability to protect your digital life. Remember, your safety is in your hands. Host, that's a wrap for today's video, folks. We've covered a lot of ground, but your online safety is worth every second. Knowledge is your greatest asset against phishing scams, and we hope this video empowers you to navigate the digital world with confidence, resilience, and an unwavering commitment to your own security. If you found this video helpful, if it sparked a change in your online habits, do us a big favor. Smash that like button, it really helps us reach more people and spread awareness about staying safe online. But don't stop there. If you care about your loved one's safety, and we know you do, share this video with your friends and family. Together we can create a safer online world for everyone where phishers find it increasingly difficult to succeed. And hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. By subscribing, you'll stay in the loop for all our future videos on cybersecurity, tech tips, and much more. Your support means the world to us, and it keeps us motivated to bring you valuable content. Stay safe out there and let's outsmart those phishers together. Thanks for joining us today. And remember, a vigilant online community is a secure one. We'll catch you in the next video.